Hi, in this video we will try to learn how to dynamically compute values in a user selected range. As you can see, this is the table visual. We have date and number of complaints, and this is the measure number of complaints. It could be sales, profit, or whatever in your use case. So for example, in case if you try to sort this column number of complaints, you can see the max value is 968 and the minimum value is 1. So what we could do is we could give user control by creating a what if parameter, and we can go to modeling, and from modeling new parameter we can use this min as 1 and max as 1000. That is a range of values, right? Automatically a slicer is added to the report page. We can resize it. So what we could do is quickly, if we want to use the same kind of formatting from the table, select the table, go to format painter, and paste it onto the slicer. So the slicer is ready. So as you can see, we have a slicer and a table, and if user is making any kind of selections, the values in the table are not changing, obviously, because there is no connection, right? So what we could do is we could create a new measure. We will remove the number of complaints from the table visual, and we can create a new measure, and we will name that measure as selected range complaints equal to, we will create couple of variables here. The first will be, we will try to grab the min value from the parameter, and the max value will be the second variable. So we'll make it as max, so that we will grab the range of values, user selected values. The third variable will be result. We will use sum x, and we'll use a filter. We'll use the values function over the date column of the calendar table. And for the filter expression, we'll say that, hey, number of complaints greater than or equal to minimum complaints, and number of complaints less than or equal to max complaints, right? We will grab the range of values the user has selected, and for the sum x expression will be number of complaints, and we will return this result. We will get the selected range complaints. So we'll format it, and we will try to drag that onto the table visual. So as you can see, the visual is here, table visual, and whenever user is making any selections like as shown here, the values are changing perfectly, right? That is what exactly what we wanted. Additionally, what we could do is we want to grab the number of values. So we will create a new measure, copy the same code. We will try to tweak it. We will name this as number of values in selected range equal to, we will swap out sum x with the count x function because we wanted to count the number of values, right? So that is there ready, and we will drag that measure onto the canvas, and the value is also ready. So whenever the user is making selections, we are also getting the number of values and also selected range complaints. So you can use the same code for your use case. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.